It's sad when you realize you are not as important to someone as you thought you were. Do these three things for one time. If someone stopped giving importance to you, number one, stop fighting with them. Stop fighting and arguing for a people to love you the right way. There is no one busy in this world. It's always about priorities. When you are important to someone, they will always find a way to make a time for you. It's okay to fight for someone who loves you, but it's not okay to fight for someone to love you. It's a hug difference. So stop fighting hard for people who don't care about you and start using your time and energy to fight for yourself. Number two, just be quiet. Once you feel that you are no longer important to someone, then live their life silently. At times, your silence is better than proving your point. Silence is the best answer to someone who does not value your words. Silence is the most powerful scream. It's the best reply to a fall. When you treat people in silent treatment, silent always win, and it's earn more importance. Number three, not always available to that person. Never be too much available for someone, otherwise you will lose your importance. Stop making yourself easily available for someone who does not make available when you are need. Let them miss you, and then only they know your value. Just remember one thing, you can be important to someone, but not all the time. If you agree with me, then do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching.